everyone, I'm Abha Ranta and you're watching me on Filmy Beat. Surprisingly, even though it was a very grey character and had a lot of shades, I'm only getting appreciation for portraying the emotions. I was the one who got the confirmation call pehle, and that time for me it was such a dream come true. When she got the confirmation, I was like, listen, I'm also there. And we were like, what, you're there? Like, there was this whole thing ki, okay, both of us are there. Set pe bhi everybody was very shocked. The two sisters made it to such a big project.
Did you meet Manisha ma'am? कहीं भी कुछ भी बात या interaction हुआ है?
नहीं. So because हमारा timelines बहुत different है, मैं तो चाहती थी कि मेरी बहन के साथ भी मेरा एक scene हो जाता तो बहुत मजा आता.
कैसे? वो बात चीज़ से future की और
Exactly same way because Manisha ma'am was my older version. उसके बाद से I think हमारे बीच में एक understanding बैठ गई थी that he would let me perform. He would not raise his voice at me, which I was very happy about because I'm the kind of person I would start crying if somebody raises their voice at me.
Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Beat. This is Murtaza Iqbal और आज मेरे साथ है मल्लिका जान. जी हाँ, इन्होंने ही पहले से शुरुआत की थी वो साजिशें करने की, इसलिए वो मनीषा मैम का जो कैरेक्टर जिनको आप थोड़ा हेट करते हो ना वो इनकी वजह से, तो शुरुआत तो उन्होंने ही की थी. वेल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नन अदर देन आभा हु इज हियर विद अस टुडे, जिन्होंने प्ले किया था यंगर वर्जन ऑफ मल्लिका जान. हाय आभा, वेलकम टू फिल्मी बीट.
Hi Murtaza, thank you for having me.
So how many hate messages you are getting? I will start by asking that.
So surprisingly, even though it was a very grey character and had a lot of shades, I'm only getting appreciation for portraying the emotions, which is like I'm very happy with the response. Like I don't think I got even a single hate messages. Sometimes I'm reading comments and they are like that Rihanna sahi thi, isne galat kiya hai and all that. But like the fact that they are appreciating the character and the emotions are felt and they're feeling it's justified, I think that's appreciation more than enough for me.
Correct. You know, of course, I would like to know how the whole process happened to get this role, to be in the shoes, and of course the nervousness कि I'm actually playing a younger version of an actress who is superb.
Yeah.
So मैंने 2-3 questions एक ही में डाल दिए, तो we'll start with the process first.
So the process, I had auditioned for it in the first lockdown, and I auditioned and I forgot about it. Then after a year, they reached me and they're like, we really like your audition. We would like to test you for younger Mallika Jan's character. And I read the scene, and the scene was the murder scene.
Oh wow!
So I was like, this has so much scope for performance, and I want to do it. I instantly felt connected, and I think in my brain, I had already made connections कि ये मैं कैसे करूँगी, क्या मेरा voice tonality होगा. Like I could picture the entire thing.
Correct.
So while filming the audition, also I think it was the first audition that I filmed, and I sent it across. And after a year after that, I got the message that sir really likes your performance, and he would like to meet you. So that time I had gone to his office, and Sanjay sir was somebody that I always dreamt of working with.
Right.
With that one director who brings out so much emotions in you, and you're like, I want to be on his set. No matter how big or small the role is, I don't care. I just want to be there.
Yeah.
So that day I was going to meet him, and in the office, they take me to his room, and there he's chatting with somebody. It's a big hall. They're sitting on the sofa. I look at him and I get goosebumps. I think I ran into a wall because I could not walk straight, and then I gathered myself. I went to the room. We had a conversation. So he was talking to me about Black, like because I'm from Shimla, he was telling me how they shot Black in Shimla. And midway the conversation, he goes like, so Abha, do you think you're a good actor? And I am blank. Like, how do I even respond to it, and how do I say that yes, I think I'm good, like, but in front of Sanjay sir, how do you say it? So I was like, I think so, sir, if you think so. That's what I said. He's like, show me her audition. So he saw my entire audition right in front of me. And after the audition, he's like, we need a very strong actor for this part. Do you think you'll be able to do it? So I'll definitely give my best. He's like, okay. Then we both got up. And while leaving, he's like, you're very good. I could not understand it at that moment because I was shocked. And I go to the cab and I'm thinking about the whole process. And that was I understood, oh, did he just say that? And it was such a big thing for me. So after that, I got the part, and then I was on set with him.
Right.
That's the story.
Of course, you know, Pratibha is also part of it. Was there like who was selected first? And जब actually एक दूसरे को बताया कि part of हीरा मंडी, तो वो कैसा माहौल था, घर पे कैसा था?
So I was the one who got the confirmation call pehle, and that time for me it was such a dream come true that I had not told anybody, not even my family, anybody, because I was like, once I'm on set, then it will be confirmed to me at least कि हाँ ये हो गया है. Like उससे पहले मैं किसी को नहीं बता रही. And then she gets the call, she auditioned. In fact, I helped her record the auditions. And
Yeah.
after that, when she got the confirmation, I was like, listen, I'm also there. And we were like, what, you're there? Like, there was this whole thing ki, okay, both of us are there. And set pe bhi everybody was very shocked. The two sisters made it
Yeah.
to such a big project. So it was great.
But how was it to work with Sonakshi, especially the killing scene? You
Uh,
know, because of course she's a senior star, you know, and you
Yeah,
work with a star, you have to थोड़ा वो माइंड में हेजिटेशन होता है कि ओके मैं ठीक से कर पाऊंगी, कुछ लग ना जाए उनको. तो वो सब कैसा था उनके साथ पूरा एक्सपीरियंस? आई थिंक बिकॉज इट्स हिम एंड अध्ययन जिनके साथ आपके मेजर सीन्स हैं.
yeah. So with her also, initially I had all this big thing in my mind कि she's such a big actress and how do I talk, what do I say? But when I went on set, we were just two co-actors. She
Right.
was very nice to me, very cordial. We would talk to each other normally.
Yeah.
And in fact, when I was filming my scenes and my close-ups were being taken, she was there giving me cues.
Right.
And every time she would give me the cues with equal intensity, which really helped me bring out my performance as well. So like that, she was very nice. And during the killing scene, so the lady that we kill, she is a stunt double.
Okay,
So
yeah.
all the stunts were performed by a stunt double, and she was also very kind. Like I would talk to her, ki, "Are you okay? Like
हाँ.
I hope I'm not doing it a lot." She's like, "No, no, no. Go ahead with it. Take your time. Get into the feel of it." So otherwise, the whole experience was great.
Correct. So, you know, of course, I would like to know कि जब एक एज एन एक्टर व्हेन एज यू सेड कि संजय लीला बंसाली सर ने आपको ऑलरेडी पूछा कि यू थिंक इफ यू आर अ गुड एक्ट्रेस और नॉट, बट टू बी ऑन अ सेट दैट वाज द एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू टोल्ड मी अबाउट द प्रोसेस टू बी ऑन अ सेट. हमने बहुत कुछ सुना है, यू नो, ही इज अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट मास्टर, वो एक्टर्स पे चिल्ला भी देते हैं, स्कोल्ड भी कर देते हैं.
Yeah.
तो हाउ वाज दैट? डिड एनीथिंग लाइक दैट हैपेंड विद यू?
So on the first day, I was very nervous. I remember this was the scene when Imad is being taken away from me.
Yeah.
So initially, when you are there, you're nervous. You're trying to get the hang of it.
Yeah.
And 6 takes हो गए हैं. I'm very nervous, and I could feel a little irritation around me, and everybody's getting tensed कि ये scene हो क्यों नहीं रहा है.
हाँ.
And I go to the vanity and I'm like, oh no, I'm doing so wrong. Like अब तो सब खराब हो जाएगा ये वो. So, but after that, I had this another take where I'm running through the balcony and Sir gave me the voice modulation. He's like, at this point, modulate your voice like this. And I
Right.
was copying him, and because I was able to pick up the modulations and all that, so he kind of gave me that space as an actor to like come on my own. And like उसके बाद से I think हमारे बीच में एक understanding बैठ गई थी that he would let me perform and he would not raise his voice at me, which I was very happy about because I'm the kind of person
Yeah.
I would start crying if somebody raises their voice at me. And I think creatively I understood what he wanted,
Right.
and I was able to deliver it. So वो point ही नहीं आया that where he had to be that way with me. He would just be like, बेटा अभी आप ये करो, अब ये करना है और ऐसे करना है. And I was like, this is the perfect tone, and I only want to talk to you in this tone. I'll give my 500%. I'll be super aware so that you talk to me like this, and I'll be able to perform.
Correct. You know, about one thing, did you not request Sanjay sir
हाँ.
कि सर जितनी भी एक्ट्रेसेस है, इवन जो छोटे रोल में है, they all are dancing apart
हाँ.
from me.
Yeah,
मुझे
yeah.
कहीं पे तो डांस करवा लो, because a संजय लीला बंसाली series,
हाँ.
he beautifully portrays his actresses, and dancing is something. So, and even do you have that kind of, you know, कहते हैं ना कि खलिश वो रह जाती है कि यार
हाँ.
मैं संजय लीला बंसाली के साथ काम किया पर मैं डांस नहीं कर पाई. Was there any kind of conversation that you had, and of course the kind of खलिश that I'm talking about, वो है कहीं दिल में?
सबसे पहले तो सर के साथ एक प्रॉपर कॉन्वर्सेशन करने के लिए भी मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस लगता था. लाइक आई वुड जस्ट बी ऑन माई ओन
Yeah.
एंड नॉट टॉक अ लॉट. आई एम लाइक आई एम हियर टू परफॉर्म, एंड क्योंकि मेरे लिए इतनी बड़ी बात थी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ भंसाली सर. आई
Yeah.
लाइक आई नीड टू नेल वट एवर आई एम डूइंग, एंड इफ
True.
आई एम गुड आई नो that in the future I will work with him.
Correct.
Because this is first time he's giving me a chance. It's my first web show ever.
Yeah.
And if I'm able to perform well here, and if it's in the stars, I will be able to do it. And I'm very hopeful that it will happen in the future because I really enjoyed working with him. So, वो desire तो है, but I think when you have a strong desire, it does come true. So, fingers crossed. I hope, hopefully in the future.
Correct. So, you know, Abha, of course, I would like to know कि as an actress, how it started. You know, you have done ads basically, modeling से शुरुआत हुई. But when was this time when you decided कि okay, even acting is something that is something that I should do it? Yeah.
Ever since I was very young, I was
Yeah.
very creatively driven. I think school में भी मैं हर तरीके की चीज़ में part लेती थी, be it dancing, acting. I was part of the school choir. I used to play drums. I used to play flute. Like because I loved expressing myself through
Correct.
creativity, and I think somewhere I loved being in front of an audience. I used to really enjoy it. And at that time, when you come from a place like Shimla, you don't take it very seriously because तुम्हें ऐसे लगता है कि maybe it's a very far-fetched dream,
Yeah.
like to be an actor. Because I used to feel like people who are dancing on TV are aliens, and it's not possible for me. So I took up medical because the safe bet, and my
Yeah.
family really wanted me to take medical, and I didn't want to disappoint them. I was like, hey, okay, I will give my best
Yeah.
to this field also. But as I was studying medical, I realized that मुझे interest यहाँ पे नहीं है, and then I cleared NIFT, which is NIFT,
Yes.
and that's when I started modeling in my college. I participated in Miss Navi Mumbai, and I realized that how much I love being on stage and how much I love being in front of an audience. That's
Correct.
when I got a job and I got placed in Andheri West. I had two job options. The one was in Bhandup or somewhere,
Yeah.
the other was in Andheri West. And that time I didn't know that all the actors, they stay in Andheri
Andheri
West
West,
and all
yeah.
the auditions happen in Andheri West. I was like, fine, I'll take up the Andheri West wala job. And I get message on Instagram from Yash Raj Films that we are looking for a lead. Would you like to audition for this? एंड एक तो उस वक्त ब्लू टिक सबके पास नहीं होता था, मैं ब्लू टिक देख के शॉक हो गई थी कि व्हाई आर दे मैसेजिंग मी, इज इट इवन रियल?
Yeah.
So I went for the audition, I auditioned for it, and I think I was shortlisted, and about 10 to 15 girls, we went to Shanu ma'am's office,
Yeah.
where she briefed us on how to give the audition and what better we can do. And after that, I got a lot of confidence कि I really enjoy it and I want to do it. But that time also, because I wanted to sustain myself in Mumbai also and not put a lot of pressure on my parents,
Yeah.
I was like, I can't quit my job. So I would go to my job, and during the breaks I would go and give auditions.
Right.
एंड ऑडिशंस में मैं इतनी नर्वस हूँ कि मेरा बॉस पकड़ लेंगे, और मुझे मेरी फ्रेंड का कॉल आ रहा है कि वेयर आर यू, पापा बॉस वाज आस्किंग अबाउट यू, ऐसा वैसा, एंड आई एम लाइक आई एम कमिंग, एंड ऑडिशन में पीपल आर लाइक, डू यू नो हाउ बिग दिस पार्ट इज, डू यू नो व्हाट यू ऑडिशनिंग फॉर? That time I realized कि I have to step into one thing,
Right.
and give my 100% to one thing. And I told my family that whatever I'm making through my job, if I'm able to make it through acting, then I'll continue acting. But if that doesn't happen, then I will get another job.
Yeah.
So that's when I started auditioning. I started giving auditions, and work started coming in. And thanks to God, I got a lot of ad films, and because of which I was able to sustain myself in Mumbai. And then Hira Mandi happened, and I hope upwards and onwards from this.
So which was the YRF movie that you auditioned?
But they didn't tell us the name. It
Okay.
was just written like 2020 lead girl. That's how the
Okay.
project came in.
Right.
The lead girl. They're looking for a lead girl. So, but yeah, the thing is that the fact that the audition came at that time when I was not even acting, तो
Yeah.
मेरे लिए तो बहुत बड़ी बात थी कि wow.
Correct. So, Abha, of course, as there have been even reels and everyone, I've read some comments also praising you and everything. There's one comment where, of course, unfortunately, Sharmin is not getting that great response, like, for her performance. There was one comment which said कि यार अगर आलमजीब का रोल देना ही था तो जो young Manisha play करी थी उनको ही दे देते. How do you feel when you maybe must have come across some such comments like that? तो वो कैसे लगता है? Do you think कि अगर आलमजीब का रोल दिया हो तो you could have done it well?
See, I feel like all the actors on set, they really gave her like their 100%.
Yeah.
She gave her 100%. I gave my 100%. And at the end of the day, whatever's meant for you will always come to you.
Yeah.
Whatever's meant for her will always come to her, and whatever's meant for me will come to me.
Right.
And as actors, what we can do is give our best.
Correct.
And उसके बाद audience decide करती है कि उन्हें अच्छा लगा कि नहीं लगा. Which should not stop us from putting us out there creatively.
Correct,
Right?
yeah.
कभी criticism मिलेगा, कभी appreciation मिलेगी. आज उसको उन्हें मिल रही है, कल मुझे मिल सकती है, परसों किसी और को मिल सकती
Correct,
है.
yeah.
So I feel like जो जिसके लिए बना होता है वो उसको मिलता है, and I am very happy with the part that I got and the kind of scenes I got, because I felt very connected to young Malika Jaan. I think both the scenes, the where my child is taken,
Yeah.
and when I have to murder somebody, I think I had always imagined how freeing it would be to be able to murder somebody like that on screen.
Yeah.
Because these kind of emotions are not very accepted in
Yeah,
the society.
true.
Like, you're not allowed to show rage and anger, and to me, be able to show that on screen was very free.
Correct. So, Abha, of course, now the journey of the acting has started with such a youth series. What are your expectations? What kind of a role, genre you would like to explore? And of course, tell filmmakers maybe through this interview, कि भाई, I am looking forward to something like this.
So I'm obviously looking for parts which are very performance oriented, because I feel like one of the main reasons I got into acting was that I wanted to connect to audience. I feel like when you express something emotionally and it's understood and received, there's a certain level of satisfaction that an artist feels.
Yeah.
So I'm obviously looking for very good performance oriented part. I would love to work with Imtiaz Ali sir, because the way he just expresses romance is very beautiful to me, and I would really like to be a part of his craft and his world as well.
Correct. I want to know how has been with your family, parents, because of course Lapata Ladies happened for Pratibha, that was amazing. Now you both are once again shining with Hira Mandi. How has been with the parents, family? Kaisa wo, because I would say this year has, of course, Touchwood has been very good for you guys, to be very honest. So वो एक kind of happiness, कैसा माहौल है घर पे अगर आप लोग बैठ के बात करते हैं तो?
So I'll tell you what, that I think हम दोनों में acting का कीड़ा हमारे पापा से आया है.
अच्छा.
Because when we were very young, he would show us a lot of films. Like
Yeah.
जैसे एक बोलते हैं ना, एक film family में आपकी
हाँ, हाँ,
upbringing
हाँ,
होती है,
हाँ.
वो हमारे साथ होता था. In winters we would go to our village जहाँ पे बर्फ गिरती है, it would snow a lot, and we would have a VCR. He would borrow CDs,
Yeah.
and every night we would sit and watch a movie. Even when we would go on Mall Road just to roam around and eat ice cream and everything, he would hire a photographer and he would click one photo with me and one with my sister, and then do a photo shoot for himself. And then he would frame those photos, and he would tell us that when he was in college, he would spend his entire day in the theaters. He would watch 3 shows a day. So I think वहाँ से हमें वो interest आया acting के लिए, and obviously when he got to know, he was super happy. My entire family was happy. The fact that 2 girls from Shimla are like in a city like Mumbai, and Mumbai has accepted them and given them work, and they're sustaining themselves. It's such a proud moment for them, and my family is showing off all the time. Like my dad keeps posting all my ads, he'll post all my work. Like he's very proud, and my grandmother also, because we grew up with our grandparents.
Yeah.
And she has always given us a lot of freedom, and for us to come to an industry which was always, there was a taboo about the industry.
Yes.
And you never know what happens next. Our journey has been so beautiful and so blessed that obviously our family also feels very happy about it.
But can I say that, of course, not having, we always have this kind of nepotism debate or the film family background debate, not having someone like Godfather or someone, who is there from the film family background, is it, I would say, do you think that it's difficult? The journey has been difficult?
I don't think whether a journey is difficult or beautiful,
Yeah.
because I feel like सबकी एक individual journey होती है. कुछ आपकी professional journey होती है, कुछ आपकी personal journey होती है,
Yeah.
और difficulties कहीं भी arise हो सकती हैं. तो why would we compare our journey to somebody else's journey? क्योंकि दूर से उनकी life में आपको वो दिख रहा है जो आपको चाहिए, और आप पास जाके देखोगे तो उनकी life में भी उनके turmoils हैं.
Correct.
तो maybe मेरी life में वो turmoils नहीं है जो उनकी life में, अगर उनकी life में बहुत बड़ा profession है. So I always stick to my journey, and मुझे लगता है हर तरीके की journey beautiful होती है, because आप highs भी experience करें, आप lows भी experience
Yeah.
करें, ये उसी वजह से beautiful है. तो मैं दोनों अपनी life का enjoy करना चाहती हूँ, because I'm blessed with this life, so I want to make the most out of it.
Right. Though we have moved away from हीरा मंडी, मुझे actually अभी याद करते अचानक से याद आया, did you meet मनीषा मैम? कहीं भी कुछ भी बात या interaction हुआ है?
नहीं. So because हमारा timelines बहुत different है, मैं तो चाह रही थी कि मेरी बहन के शादी मेरा एक scene हो जाता तो बहुत मजा
वो
आता.
कैसे? वो father she's in future or
Exactly,
past?
same way, because Manisha ma'am was my older
Yeah,
version,
yeah.
so I didn't meet her on set because the timelines were very different.
But कभी भी, maybe premiere पे या कहीं पे भी did you go and maybe try and talk to her?
No, I think if had I worked with her, तो मुझे ज़्यादा ease feel होता
Yeah.
to go and approach her and talk to her. But I would have loved to. I would have loved to
Just
know
to
what
get her
she
know,
thinks
yeah,
about
yeah.
the performance, and does she feel like I justified? Was it up to what she expected? But no, I didn't get the chance to talk to her.
Right. So of course now तो you have told me that इम्तियाज अली के साथ तो काम करना है. So मैंने क्वेश्चन रखा था कि one director and actor you want to work with. तो director का तो मुझे पता चल गया. One actor you really wish and dream to work with, and why?
I think when I saw Laila Majnu,
Yeah.
Avinash Tiwari was out of this world. Like I
Yes.
could not get his performance out of my head for the longest time. So if given a chance, I would love to work with him. And if talking about on-screen pair, I think me and Vedant Raina would look very good on screen. So that would be nice, because I think from Archie's he really stood out as a performer. So I think I would like to work.
Right. And what's happening next now? like after Hira Mandi, how many offers you have got? What are you working on next? Tell us
There are
something about that.
certain things in the pipeline, but like once something is confirmed, I'll definitely let you know.
Right, and of course, you in when it comes to advertisement, you have worked with multiple stars. Like I think Vicky Kaushal. I was just going through her, stalking her on Instagram. तो मैंने वो reel देखा. So how has been that when you work with an actor like Vicky Kaushal? See, these are stars, and when you do these ads, they are very small. I think a day or a day to shoot.
Yeah.
So how has been that experience of being on set with them?
I remember that there was this one person I always wanted to share screen with, which was Amitabh Bachchan sir, and we had shot KBC ka promotional ad
Yeah.
campaign together. So that experience was out of this world, and Nitish Tiwari sir shot the ad for us.
Yeah.
And before the ad film, sir comes to my vanity or the where I was getting ready.
Yeah.
And he goes like Amitabh sir हैं, आप nervous मत होना. अभी तक मैं बिल्कुल नर्वस नहीं थी. I was very happy, very relaxed कि okay, I'm going to give my line. The moment he said that, I was like, now what I do? Now I am actually nervous. But when I went and sat on the hot seat next to Amitabh Bachchan sir, he goes like, Namaste Devi ji. And I'm like, Namaste sir. And he just started chatting about what's happening with him, what's happening in the family and everything. And I'm like, he made me feel so comfortable that nervousness was out of the window. So like that, it was beautiful.